皆さんこんにちは. In this video, I'm going to go through a couple of the activities you can assign to your students. So, what you need to do is you need to click on Add Slide, or you can right-click one of the slides and then go to Add Activity, or you can add content. The difference between content and activity is content is purely for you to provide any material. So for example, with a slide, it just gives you an empty slide where you can just make heading and you can insert things like image or video or GIFs and so on and so forth. So let's just add in the sample. Now you probably notice it's a very big, but then as you keep going, the size gets adjusted. Now there's no way you can actually adjust the heading. Now you can also include the text, which you can adjust the size by going huge, large, or small. Then you click Save and Exit. Now once again, you can adjust the slide you just created to wherever you want. The other activities you can do is things like open-ended question, or the one I like to do at the beginning is a poll. Now poll is great for checking students' understanding at the beginning, or perhaps at the end. So for example, you might be asking the student, what is your current understanding with this particular topic? You can also include the video, audio, PDF, web content, and you can also record your own voice. So this is, I think, is great for things like short listening practice. And then now with these ones, you can just put in things like options. The other feature I'd like to use is open-ended question. So with open-ended question, you can let the students to submit the answer using the audio recording. And this, I think, is great for things like speaking practice. So you might record yourself asking question, and then the students will be required to respond to the question using their audio recording. Another one I like to use is a quiz. Now with the quiz, it's just a multiple choice. So once again, you can add the same content as you could for short answer as well as a poll. So as you assign, let's just say sample test, let's just say A, B, and C, and then you can keep adding the question.